Welcome back to MAURO'S Films, and it's finally here. I have a new table. And also, the MAVIC Air Fly More combo showed up today, with a really big hole in it, but I think that it should be fine. Okay, let's unbox it and see what's inside. And don't care, my MAVIC Pro, I will take care of you. So, let's start. Opening the box. I think that here is the MAVIC Air. So, let's move on. It's a box and here is the part that it's a little shredded. The bag and some black stuff and nothing else. What do we do first? Let's see how it looks. Cute little bag. Shall we open it? Whoa! Woohoo! The MAVIC Air. Oh, it's so tiny. Look at the size. It's really tiny. And yeah, the propellers are not foldable like the MAVIC Pro. Let's see what's inside other than the MAVIC Pro. Some propeller guards and the manuals for the MAVIC Air. And let's see what's inside this really cute bag to hold the MAVIC on. Let's watch what's inside. We have the MAVIC controller, a black box, and inside we can find also the additional 2 batteries for the MAVIC Air. One and the second one. The MAVIC Air charger, and this is the Fly More combo charger, so you can charge 4 batteries with it. Then we have, the power adapter with 2 USBs, the power cord, and I think that this should be it. And there are also some spare propellers, the power cords and the sticks for the controller. And these are the cables for connecting the controller with your MAVIC Air and phone, and these are 8 spare propellers. Okay, so this was a really fast unboxing. Let's make a show off. Yeah, I know guys, this was only a show-off and also an unboxing of the MAVIC Air Fly More combo. Expect a lot more in the following days. There will be a show-off, there will be a comparison and a lot more. So stay tuned and see you really soon.